Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn unit conversion. In daily life, we deal with three different measurements, and those measurements are, and the base units for these three measurements are. So today I'm going to give you a one simple and straight rule, okay, that will apply for all these three measurements. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? The rule is आपको एक you have to memorize a phrase. You can say you have to memorize a incident. So incident says, so King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. अगर आपको वैसे straight way याद होता है, then go for it. KHTBDCM. Now I'm going to tell you what these letters stand for. G, K stand for kilo. H stand for hecto. D stand for deca. B stand for base, and this D stand for deci. This is centi. This is milli. अगर आपके पास weight है तो it will be kilogram. The volume, then it could be kiloliter, and this could be kilometer. It totally depends on which category of measurement you are dealing with. Likewise, this hecto could be hectogram, it could be hectoliter, it could be hectometer, it could be hectograms, liter, and meter, like with decagrams, decaliter, decameter. So base is basically हमारा जो base unit है. Gram, it could be liter, it could be meter. So ये हमारा आ गया base unit. इस तरह उसके बाद डेसी में आ जाएगा डेसीग्राम, डेसीलीटर और डेसीमीटर, सेंटीग्राम, centiliter, and then centimeter, and then we have milligram, milliliter, and then millimeter. All right, so this table will help you out to convert different units. अब इसके बाद जो the next thing that you should keep in your mind that each unit has a jump of 10. Like if I want to move from kilo to hecto, so this will be a jump of 10, which is you have to multiply. Then if you move from hecto to deca, this is a jump of 10. From here to milli, jump of 10. Or when you will go back, or if you have to move from milli to centi, so it is a reverse multiplication, which is division. So when you move from here to here, this is a division of 10. अब इस चार्ट को मैं शॉर्ट करने लगा हूँ ताकि हम इसको इजीली अपने क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकें. When we are moving this way, you have to time by 10. If you are moving backward, you have to divide by 10. ठीक है जी. अब हम एक क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं और उसको हम सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So gram is basically here. So from here you have to move to kilogram. आप क्या करेंगे? and you have to move now backward or towards left. That means the jump is going to be of 10. That is going to be, you are going to divide by 10. So कितनी दफ़ा इस नंबर को डिवाइड करोगे 10 से? Now count 1, 2, 3. So that means the 632 has to be divided by 1000. So 3 times mean 10 into 10 into 10 means 1000. So this number has to divide by 1000 to convert from grams to kilograms. So this will become, or decimal, you know that when we have to divide by 10, 100, 1000, we have to move decimal backward. So it's 632 ka decimal is here, so it has to move to backward and it has to take 3 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, so it will come over here. So इसको start में 0 लगा देंगे. That means this will become 0.632. So here we have this number converted from grams to kilograms. अब इसकी एक और एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं हम. So you have to convert this 3.4 kiloliter into centiliter. तो क्या करेंगे? You have to move now kilo to centi, and when you move it right side, you have to times by 10. कितनी दफ़ा करना है? काउंट करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this decimal has to move 5 units towards right. क्या देखते हैं जी, इसको जब 5 units towards right जाएगा क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be here. So these spaces will be filled by 0. So that means this number, after conversion of from kiloliter to centiliter, it will become 340,000. See, so simple, so easy. Okay, now take another question. जी, अब आपके पास नंबर है जी 134.87 meter, and you have to convert this one into centimeter. So from meter to centimeter, you have to move right side, and you have to take how many jumps? Count 1, 2, 2 jumps. That means this decimal has to take 2 jumps towards right, so it will go 1, 2 over here. So it will become 1387. That means after conversion of this number, it will become 13,487. Now I have some question for you. You have to pause this video or solve these questions and then check your answer with me. Let's see क्या answer है इसका. जी, hectometer से we have to move to meter. So that means it has to take from hectometer to meter, it has to take 1, 2 jumps to right. So decimal has to move 2 units to right. So this will become 6,245. And now check this one from centiliter to kiloliter. So centiliter is here and then kiloliter here. So we have to move backward, and when we have to move backward, we divide by, let's count how many jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps. तो इसका decimal कहाँ पर है जी? When there is no decimal point is always at the end. तो इस decimal ने 5 jumps लेंगे backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will come here, so it will become 0.84312. This will be the answer for this one, and let's check out the answer for last one. So from kilograms to milligrams. So here kilograms here, and we have to convert this one to milligrams. Oh, great. So we have to take jumps towards right. Let's count how many jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps. That means this decimal has to move 6 jumps towards right. So let's see where this will go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have 3 spaces empty. So that will be filled by zeros. It will become 8, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4. How many zeros now? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. जी, तो ये था आज का लेसन. आई एम श्योर यू हैव एंजॉयड इट और आपको समझ भी आ गया होगा. So don't forget to subscribe Maths Camp. Take care. Bye bye.